Hello, my name is Yanni Goldstein, a holistic healer, and I want to do with you, my cousin, Johnny, a extremely happy, holistic celebration of your birthday. You know, nothing is much more holistic than when the earth revolves around the sun and comes back to the same point as when you emerged from your mother's womb. You know, we're family, Johnny. And it's a time like this is important for a family to come together. So I wish you an extremely happy birthday, and more important than anything at all, keep it holistic. So I want everybody to grab a gourd like this in your hand, just like this, grab it, just give it a little stroke like this. If Johnny's birthday, if Johnny's birthday, if Johnny's birthday, keep it holistic. Keep it holistic. Keep it holistic. Happy birthday, Johnny, from your cousin, Yanni Goldstein, holistic healer. Take care and keep it holistic.